Hello friends! Today we're going to be replacing the front screen on an iPhone SE, the first generation. This is my first time doing this, so there's going to be a lot of learning and a lot of mistakes along the way. And I wanted to document this in a way that showed what a truthful first time screen replacement might look like for you. So do your own research, see if this is something you want to do, and make sure you're comfortable with doing something like this. This is just kind of to give you a good idea of what might happen your first time repairing something. So hope you enjoy it and have fun.
Let's try. Why not? Well, whatever. We're already failing at life right now, so let's just keep it going. Let's keep it going. Is this the same one? I think this is the correct tool. Let's try. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, careful. Oh, gross. There's crud coming out of where the bolt is. That's nasty. Oh, that's nasty. That's pretty gross. A little brush action. Get that out of there. Oh, that's so gross, dude. That is disgusting. Ugh. Ugh. Oogie boogie. So nasty. Ugh. Let's get the other one out of there. Da, 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 da. So hard to tell if these are like stripped or not because they're so tiny. Apple makes everything tiny. Why? Anyway. Now let's take this broken screen off. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Oh, there we go. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's real good. Oh, that's good. Oh, wow. That's easy. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That started coming off with relative ease. Let's keep working it slowly. And then we flip it like a book. Oh, hold on. There's things. There's things. How do we disconnect that? How the heck do you come off, friend? Is that just like a cover? What is this? What is this? What's going on? Whoa. Whoa. Okay. That little Lego is off. We're doing good so far. Look at all the little things inside there. There's a little battery. So cute. Little chippies. Other little Legos. Okay, now what? How do I get that guy off of there? Yeah, I think I need to remove that. And that takes a little tiny Phillips. A little tiny Phillip friend. Hello, Philip. Won't you help me today? I wish I had one of those little screen holder deals. This is just trying to fall forward. Well, I was going to use my water bottle, but that doesn't work. So let's switch angles here.
And right here, I just wanted to point out that you should keep track of exactly where every single screw on this little shield goes, because you need to put them exactly back in the same place because they are different lengths. And if you put the wrong length screw into the wrong hole, you could damage the logic board, and that would cause a lot of issues, possibly rendering your phone useless. So just be careful with that.
And boop, pop that little Lego off. Pop that little Lego off. And pop that big old Lego off. Just kind of popped off on its own. Now let's see if we can spot the difference. Let's put this aside for now. Here's our replacement screen. Here's our old screen. Let's see if we can find the differences, friends. Well, there's that. That's different. And there's this. So what do we need? So it looks like we need the home button. All this little stuff right here needs to swap over here. And this stuff needs to go over there. So the front camera and all that good stuff needs to come here. Okay? Okay. Now this, I don't know if this plate will come off or not, though it looks like it should. But yeah. Let's see if we can get more Tiny Phillips. Tiny Felipes. So let's swap over that home button. Am I off? Okay. Just glued in there. Oh boy, I hope it's just glued in there. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. We're okay. Everything's fine, friends. Everything's fine. Okay. What a rush. Let's put that aside for now, because this guy gotta come out. And look, water damage. That's what that means. But as we all know, anything can be water damage. Doesn't mean there was actual water in there. But you just don't know. You just don't know who to trust these days. There we go. Boop. And boop. And can this come out now? Do we have another screw? What are we doing? What are we doing? Can't tell. Oh my. I can't even see what's going on over there. Doesn't look like there's any other screw. So why are you giving me a hard time then? If we're good to go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Hello. Jeez, jeez. It's gonna go there. Okay. Long screw, short screw. We're gonna put that there. And that there. So we remember. And that's off of there. Okay. Now we're looking closer together. Ah, there we go. That stuff's coming with us. Yep. And is this just placed in there? What's going on here? Yep, okay. Yay. That's off. That's going to go in there. I believe this is the final piece. That needs to swap over. Can we get you off of there? Yes. Yes, we can. Wait, what is that? What is that?
So this is just me noticing that one of the flex cables attached to the metal frame is ripped. Not sure exactly where that went to or how that happened, but it was connected to the little loom of flex cables with the different connectors. Um, just be very careful with these. Again, not sure how it happened, but just be careful so it doesn't happen to you.
Okay. So, freaked out a little bit because this ripped. So there's this little copper thing here that ripped, and I think it goes here somehow. So I'm gonna, I don't know. I did a little quick check. This should be okay if I just stick it back together somehow. So I'm gonna scratch this off a little bit so there's more copper exposed. And I'm just going to tuck that right in there. That should be there, that should be there. Everything should be in the right place. And that should go here. Sandwich that in there. Let's see. Get that in here. Cool. Great. Now let's get this guy in there. Go. What a pain in the butt. This all is. So hopefully that's fine. Should be okay. We'll see if that little trickery works. Ta-da! Not yet. We're not there yet. We got that in. Let's get the 4 side screws in. Let's get this in here. And that goes there. And that goes there. Cool. So that's looking better. Cool, cool, cool. And now, let's get that home button in. So this, how does this go in? I think this way? Yeah, that way. That's in there. So that's all looking real good. Old screen. New screen. Looking good, looking good. Lego goes in there. And Lego. Come on, Lego. Come on, little Lego. There we go. Last little Lego is in. And now put this little Lego back in to place. In its place. There we go. That little Lego is in place. Uh-oh. Let's make sure that's in. That's in. And let's get, come on. There we go. Nice little snap. All right. Everything good. Oh, forgot the shield. Ugh. Hold on. Don't forget your steps in between everybody. Oh, well, we can test it. Turning on before we put that shield back in. I accidentally turned it on. Boom, look at that. So everything seems to be working, at least for now. I can't really test anything else, so let's try. It's one screw down. Well, alright. Shield's back in place. Oh yeah. Cool. There's a chunk missing down there. Ooh, ooh yeah. Oh, nice. So that feels good. Home button feels funny. Okay. Yay. Get that little guy out of there. This is not working. And I figured out what I think I did wrong with this. I put it in, I believe, this way when it should have gone that way. So I think that's what was screwing up the home button. What was making it act funny anyway. So I believe that's how it actually should go. So let's see if that fixes the weird feeling home button. And yeah, let that be a lesson. Learn from my mistakes, everybody. If things aren't going right and you can't seem to get anything right, and the day just keeps getting filled with mistakes, I guess don't give up, but take a break. Just step away, come back the next day, and see if things are working out better for you. Because I made the mistake of just sort of plowing through a bunch of stuff. And I think I was, I don't know, less attentive, less careful. I don't know what it was, but I was not doing well. So now we can reconnect this. There we go. Perfect. So I believe that should fix the home button issue. Everything should be fitting fine now. Yeah, I think that feels good now. Cool. So now we can reconnect everything, and this should be done. And hopefully everything goes fine. So that is up against there. Let me see if I can place that little Lego in there. And there's this little piece that goes in there. I think it goes in there like this. Let's close this up. Get that in there. That's good. Okay, so that's all good. Seems to be nicely. Home button feels good now. So that's fixed. So now I can put the screws in. And be done with it. At least as far as taking it apart or whatever. That's all good. That's all working. Seems to be good. This is good. This is nice and cleaned up now.
Unfortunately, I don't have any footage of this, but I did get a chance to test everything out on the phone, and everything was working after the repair. The screen was great. I believe the camera was not working afterwards. I didn't realize this until much later, but at that point, didn't really matter anymore. Point is, the screen replacement itself was successful, but I did have some other issues that I needed to go back and look at. But anyway, I hope this gives you a good idea of what it takes to replace your front screen, and I hope it serves as a lesson to be very careful with all of your components, with how you're doing everything, so that you don't make similar mistakes. Thank you and have a good day.